How to create CPA Grip account. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can create CPA Grip account. Well, to create a CPA Grip account, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and proceed to search in for CPA Grip. You can also head directly into www.cpagrip.com. Either ways, if you search for it, you can see sign up now option right away, and now you can proceed to sign up. On the sign up page, you'll have to go through the certain prompts in order to sign up. So that is, first enter in your first name and your last name. Then now with these red or orange asterisks, it is necessary that you fill out the details. For others, such as company and website, there is no asterisk, which means it is not necessary to fill out that option. So you can fill out your first name, last name. If you want company, website, and street address, you'll have to enter in street address, then city, and also state your reason and the postal code for it. After that, enter in your phone number and your IAM service name, and email address, password, and then confirm your password, and you can choose a time zone, and you can also select where did you hear about us, fill out the firm, and make sure to tick mark this agreement, and then tap on register now and proceed to register. So this is how you can easily register or sign up for CPA Grip. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.